In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a business app without coding. We're going to use Glide, which is a no-code platform that makes it easy to turn your business data into a clean, functional app. If you're new to app building, don't worry. This process is beginner-friendly, and I'll walk you through it in a simple, practical way so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening your browser and going to Glide. Once the site loads, click Login to access your account. After you're signed in, look for the option to create a new app. Click New App, choose Blank App, and then click Create App. Starting with a blank app gives you full control over the structure and layout from the beginning, which is especially useful when you want to build something tailored to your business. Once the app editor opens, direct your attention to the left sidebar and open the navigation panel. This is where you manage the screens in your app and control how users move through it. From there, click Add Screen to create a new section in your app. This step is important because each screen can represent a different part of your business workflow, such as clients, orders, inventory, or tasks. After creating the screen, connect it to your business data table by setting the source table. This tells Glide what information should appear on that screen. Make sure you choose the correct table because this connection determines the content your users will actually see. If your data is organized well, the rest of the setup becomes much easier. Next, move to the panel on the right and choose the style for that screen. This affects how the data is displayed, so take a moment to select a layout that makes sense for the type of information you're working with. A clear style can make your app feel much more professional and easier to use. Then go back to the left panel and click to add a component. Components are the building blocks of your app's interface, such as text, buttons, images, lists, and other useful elements. Choose the component you want and then use the right panel to edit it. This is where you customize how it looks and behaves. You can adjust the content, refine the presentation, and make sure everything fits the purpose of your app. Once you're happy with the setup, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This makes your business app live and ready to share. Thanks for watching this Glide tutorial on how to build a business app without coding. If this helped you, like, comment, and subscribe for more no-code tutorials. See you in the next video.